In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So, Akil, we are finding letter Ta. Heavy sound, letter Ta. Okay, let's go, Akil. The Ta does not know how to hide. It always hides with the whole entire stick and the whole entire slanted eye. Okay, let's go, Akil. We want Ta. Whenever you see the Ta, just say Ta. Okay. Okay, let's go, Akil. Where is Ta? Where is Ta? Where is Ta? Where is Ta?
Ta.
Excellent, beautiful. You're saying it very nice way. Okay, good job. And the other Ta you already showed me, right? It's here. Ta. Ta does not know how to hide. The other letters, some hide from the head, some hide from, like from their dots. But Ta does not know how to hide in that way. It always hides as a whole entire Ta. Okay, that's good. Let's go find another letter now. Now let's go find letter Saad. Now what the Saad can do? Saad can hide as a whole Saad, or it can, this can hide from like this from the head. Okay, so some students say, hey, this is hiding exactly, it looks exactly like a Ta. I said, no, that stick is not there. Okay, so let's go find a Saad which looks like this. It's hiding from its head. Let's go find Saad. Let's go find Saad. Where is Saad? Where is Saad? Where is Saad? Do you see it?
Saad.
Saad, excellent. Let's go. Let's find Saad. Let's find Saad. Let's find Saad.
Saad.
Excellent. So this is the Saad and this is the Ta. We see that they kind of look similar, but no, they're not similar at all because the Ta has the stick there. So Saad and Ta. Okay. That is, do you think this is, hey, my letter, Ra, right? Ra is also here. Okay. This is Ra is also here. Okay. Okay. Let's go find another letter. So today's letters are Saad, God, Ta, and Za. So the other dot ones are also going to hide the similar way, just you can notice them by their dots.